Good morning, guys. All right, so I have a few announcements. First of all, it's Thursday morning. It is April 16th. I've already had my coffee, I've already had my yogurt and granola, and I've got some house cleaning to do because there is not a horizontal surface in this house that's not covered with crap. So I gotta get on the ball. Then I wanna do or start on the sunflower painting that I'm going to do for the third giveaway. You guys, I'm so excited. And here's what I decided. Yet something else this morning, super exciting. So this will be my 4,000 subscriber achievement. Let's give away 4 giveaways. How about that? Let's not stop with 3. And then we're gonna do the third giveaway, which is the sunflower. And the fourth one, I haven't decided yet, you guys. I'm gonna keep you all, I've got some ideas, but I'm gonna keep you all in suspense. And we're gonna do 4 giveaways for my 4,000 subscriber achievement. All right, I'm gonna clean the house and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so I tried to get my mom, she just left. And she came by to drop off some stuff. She's getting a new washing machine, but right now she's without one. So she dropped off a little bit of her laundry and I was trying to get her to be on my blog, but she just wouldn't do it today. She was uncooperative. So it is 2:22 in the afternoon. And I am just now sitting down to eat lunch. So I'm having a spinach salad with some croutons and Olive Garden dressing. I don't have any tomatoes. I put some cranberries in there and a bit of feta cheese. And that's all I'm having for lunch. You guys, I gotta lose some weight. Oh, and those of you that don't like my chewing and smacking, you might wanna skip forward because I'm gonna sit here and eat and talk to you guys. I've had a super busy day. Every day is like this. Every day. I mean, sometimes I just get so, I do get very anxious. And I feel like, sometimes I just feel like time is running out. And I hate that feeling. And every day, you do have less time, but I don't mean in my life. I just mean like it's 2:22 and I'm just now eating lunch. I haven't really gotten anything accomplished, yet I've got this big list of things that I've written down to do. And I always do that. Did I tell you guys already? One of my morning rituals is I get up, I drink coffee, and I write down all the things that I want to accomplish that day. Now I know it's an unrealistic, list. And there would be no way that I couldn't even stop for potty breaks if I got all that done. Yeah, it's kind of an unrealistic list. Whatever I get done, then I'll, check it off. And whatever doesn't get done, which is usually way over half of it, gets brought over to the next day. And I just kind of go on like that. Well, today I had a lot of stuff on my list, and the only thing that I've gotten done is I did clean my room, my bedroom. We're getting a new bedroom suit. And, so I got a notification from Restoration Hardware that they're supposed to deliver it and I have to let them know the day. Well, I still have this old bedroom suit. I was gonna try to sell it. It's really nice. I think I'm just gonna give it away. I just can't handle all this, you guys. I think I'm just gonna give it to my son and his daughter, my son and his wife, if they want it. I've been changing things up around here. Yeah, this is organic, just not baby spinach leaves, just spinach leaves, cranberries, croutons and feta. Feta cheese is life, you guys. It's life. I've got this little cyst right in here. I've got to go next week to have it cut out. And it's nothing serious, but he thinks it's like a saliva gland. And it's right here. And when I eat, I keep biting it. it hurts. And he said he would just have to cut it out and just put 1 or 2 little stitches in there. It's not gonna be a big deal, but probably have that done next week. Iced tea, that's what we drink here in the South. Anyway, so I'm eating my salad. Oh, I know what I was saying. Okay, so I did this some last year, but Linda Leo Lion, hi Linda if you're watching, she does videos out by her pool, and I just love it when she does it because it's like you're just hanging out by the pool with a friend, you know. So I think I'm gonna start doing that, just doing poolside talks. We can talk about all kinds of stuff, you guys. No telling what's gonna come out of my mouth, right? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm loving this new chair in my office. So for today's video, I have a surprise unboxing. It is a early birthday present from me to me. So I was trying to think, what do I want to do? Have one great big birthday haul, or just order several things that I've really been wanting for a while and do separate videos. So for now, because I can't wait, you guys, I cannot wait to see this item. I hope I'm not disappointed. You remember the last video when I was really disappointed? Okay, that's a bad memory. But I have an item that I got. So anyway, here it is, and from the size of the box, you can kind of tell what it might be. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna get this outer paper off, and I'll be back in a minute to show you guys one of my early birthday presents that I purchased for myself. Stick around, guys. All right, so this is my very first time to order from this company, and it is Yota Shop, and it says, never pay retail again. You guys, I did not know about Yota Shop. I actually found out about it through Why do I always say Winnie V? Winnie B LV, because she shops at I'm too excited. She shops at Yota Shop. So Yota Shop. So they have so many items to choose from, and I'm so excited that I got something for myself, and I really hope that they fit, because yes, they're shoes. All right, so it's a pair of shoes that I have wanted for about the last three years, and I'm just now buying them because these are very expensive. And I got mine, I believe, at a 30% discount off of the regular price. Now this is not a new item, but this is an item that I've been wanting so bad. So what did I get? Drum roll, please. All right. This video is so much better than my last unboxing. So I'm gonna take this off, and you can see that it's not a new item because this is one of the old Gucci boxes, right? Okay, so let's open this up. Here's all the little booklets and stuff that nobody ever looks at. Open it up. Oh my gosh. Can you tell what they are? Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. They are the Gucci loafers with the pearl. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Let me get the other one out. I'm so excited. There was, okay, so here they are. Now, side by side, you guys, if these aren't comfortable, I'm not gonna have a meltdown. I promise, I won't have a meltdown. I'll send them back for another pair. But I went for the 7.5 instead of 8. Now, I don't know if I made a mistake or not. I'm gonna try them on right now, and I'm gonna let you guys know, but look how beautiful. I have wanted these, and I don't remember the size, but I have tried them on before at Phipps Plaza in the mall, and I do have the Gucci pearl slides, and these are gorgeous. And I went with the 7.5 because I was afraid that they will slip, and so I'm gonna try these on, and I'll be back and let you guys know about the sizing. This is gonna be a super short video. I just couldn't wait, and oh my gosh, I love these so much. And just looking at them, they look like they're gonna work. Gucci, luxury Gucci shoes are my absolute favorite. Be back in a minute, guys. Okay, so I noticed on the box that they're size 38, so I don't know if they come in 7.5 and 8. I guess I just ordered my regular size. Okay, so here they are, size 38. I have several pair of Gucci slides, and I always buy size 38. I'm a 7.5 and 8. So these are very comfortable. Now, I will say they are a little tight, a little bit tight right across the foot, but not uncomfortable. And I feel like once I wear them once or twice, they'll be perfect because they are not uncomfortable. If they were uncomfortable in the least, I would definitely send these back because they're super expensive. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with these shoes. Thank you, Winnie. I'm so happy that I found out about Joma Shop. She's a great luxury shopper. She finds all kinds of deals. And so yeah, excuse the little teddies and animals behind me. I think I'm going to get like a little basket and put them in. So yeah, oh my gosh. I mean, they would even be cute with what I'm wearing. Today I was just wearing Vans, but I love these. So, I may have to pick up the black pair this fall. So, yes, they're very buttery. And like I said, just right here. A little tight. But I have really wide feet, but they are not uncomfortable. It's just a little tight here. But I feel like once I wear them just a couple of times, I think they'll be fine. Ooh. Wow, these are beautiful. These are absolutely beautiful. You guys, I'm so happy. I love these. They're gorgeous. And as you can see, I just have on a tank top with just a shirt over it and a denim skirt. And these look fabulous with what I'm wearing. They'll look fabulous with everything. Absolutely ecstatic over this purchase. So this is birthday present number 1 from me to me. Oh, and I need to tell you guys what my present from Keith is going to be this year. So he was gonna totally surprise me, but I guess he just decided he would go ahead and tell me. He planned a trip and we are going to DC. So my nephew, he lives up there. He works at the state capitol. So I haven't been to DC, probably haven't, well, 5 years because they got married up there. Anyway, we're going to DC. We're going to hang out with my nephew. We are going to go to the Capitol. I've already been all through the Capitol because we've always been able to get an inside tour because of my nephew. But he's going to show us his new office. We're going to go out for dinner together and just have a wonderful weekend with my nephew. And during the day, Keith and I will go out and just walk around. And I'm sure a lot of the museums probably are not open yet. But I'm super excited because it's really the first time we've really went off anywhere since COVID, and we've both had our injections, so I feel really good about it. And that is going to be my birthday gift, you guys. I'm so excited. We're going to make memories because, you know, and Keith said, I hope you're not disappointed because that's your birthday gift. I said, no, not at all. I'm thrilled. So I'm really excited to see where my nephew lives, and of course I will vlog it for you guys. So my birthday is May the 8th. It's coming up, and I just thought, you know, I can't wait. I'm just gonna, there's several things that I want, and I was thinking, what do I really want for my birthday? And I'm not saying I'm over bags. I'll never be over bags. And my husband said, aren't you kind of over? I thought by now you would probably be over buying so many bags. And I don't really want bags like I used to. I want other things like, you know, these shoes, belts, things like that. So, you know, just kind of round out my wardrobe. And you guys know I don't spend a lot of money on clothes. The only time I ever maybe spend a significant amount on clothes is if that rare event that we go somewhere nice, I will buy something nice. But my everyday life is super casual, and I just have no need for fancy clothes, but fancy shoes and fancy bags, things like that, that's my jam, you guys know that. But anyway, so yeah, for my birthday coming up, we're gonna be going to DC, super excited about that. So this is birthday present number 1 from me to me. There's a couple other items that I kind of have my eye on, I'm not really sure, but I will show you guys once I make that decision. But I'm really excited, and thank you guys for joining me today. If you have not subscribed, please do so. We still are trying to inch our way to 4,000 subscribers, and I'm super excited. And you guys, okay, so I am going to be painting the sunflower for the next giveaway, and I have several sunflowers painted already. I may paint a special one. I may give away one that I already have, because I have quite a few sunflowers painted. So I'm really excited to do that. I think we're gonna do the giveaway next week, and then after that we're gonna do one more giveaway, because I decided 4 giveaways for 4,000 subscribers. So I'm not quite sure what that 4th giveaway is going to be yet. But also congratulations to my 2 winners already, Deborah Durso and Alex Smith. Both of them have been longtime subscribers. And if you guys are one of those people who subscribe to channels just to win a giveaway and then you unsubscribe, because I experience that quite a bit. It's not gonna work on this channel, baby, because my giveaways go to my faithful and loyal subscribers, and you don't have to be subscribed for 3 years. Even if you've been subscribed to me for a short amount of time and I recognize you, you will definitely be eligible. But anyway, that's really all I have for you guys today. Just a really short video. And these have been on my wish list, I would say now for about 3 years. I love these. So I'll just wear them around the house a time or 2 and they'll be broken in just fine. And I think maybe for fall, maybe. You know how we say you know how wish lists go. You say you want something, then you don't get it, because I don't know if I've ever named these on my wish list, but they have been on my wish list for a long time. As a matter of fact, today I just watched Autumn Beckman's revised wish list, and a wish list, you know, it's not set in stone, and it's like Autumn said, you know, it changes. She got some of the things off her wish list, and so then you replace it with something else. Yes, it's a never-ending cycle, and that's just fine. That's the fun of it, you guys. That's why we're all friends here. We're all in the same community. We love nice things, and we support each other. Anyway, I will see you guys again in a couple of days, and we will be doing the sunflower giveaway next week. I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.